Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera, and case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Okay, on this channel we do food and mukbang, and I upload new video every week. Please, if you watch the video and you enjoyed it, help me to click on the like button. All right, and to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your love. So guys, today I will be showing you how to prepare the original edikaiko soup, like original edikaiko soup, the Calabar style edikaiko soup. This soup is made with just 2 leaves. So if you want to know how I made this soup, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. This soup is so easy to make, but so delicious. Okay, so guys, keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients. So for my ingredients, I have here my yellow pepper. I'm using yellow pepper. I have my seasoning cube. I have crayfish, stockfish. I have my dried fish, which I've washed. I soaked it in hot water and I washed and deboned it. I have my beef. In here I have beef and cow skin, that's bomo. I have my ugu leaf here, that's pumpkin leaf. And I have my water leaf. I have my palm oil and my salt, which you will see as we go on. So guys, let's start cooking. So we are going to start now by cooking our meat, and to that I will be going in with my pepper. I'll be adding my pepper and my seasoning cube. I'll go in with my stockfish. I've already soaked it in hot water and I use hot water to wash it. So I'll add in my stockfish. My cow skin is there. I'll put everything inside and let everything cook at once. Okay, they all take the same time to cook. So I just added in my stockfish and I'll add in water now. Cover the pot and let it cook. So guys, while the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead to prepare my vegetable. Our meat is cooked now. I will go in with my dried fish. I will add in my crayfish. I'll go in with my crayfish, okay? I'll add in salt. I've not added salt to this, so I'll be going in with some salt. I'm going to mix this very well until everything is well combined before going in with the next ingredients. I will go in now with my red oil. I will mix it until it is well combined before adding in my next ingredient. I'll be adding in my water leaf now. I'll go in with my water leaf. I'll cover the pot, allow to cook for like 2 minutes before going in with my next ingredient. So guys, if you have watched me up to this point and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, subscription is free, and do not forget to like the video and leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. Okay, so right now I'll be adding in my ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaf. Our soup is almost ready. I'm going to stir this and then add in my pumpkin leaf. I will mix everything so everything is well mixed. I'll cover, allow to cook for a few seconds. Okay, then our soup is ready. Let me know what you think of this video. Do you enjoy watching this video? And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching this video. Okay, so a few seconds later I will check on the soup now, and our soup is ready. Guys, look at this pot of deliciousness. This soup came out so yummy, like so delicious. I'm going to mix it for the last time and I will turn off the heat. Look at our soup, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this soup. Do you enjoy watching my video? Please do not forget to like, share and comment. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and until I come your way next time, bye.